What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on this. It's a 69 Squareback, in my opinion the last of the good looking ones. It belongs to a local guy who just stopped in, saw the cars, and asked if we could help him out. So here we are. He's having an idling problem. So first of all, the car was way out of time. We got the timing set, and now, I mean, it drives, but it doesn't like to. What I think we're gonna do is just pull the carburetor, clean it up, go from there. Let's get it. I popped the air cleaner off. What's kind of cool about this car is it's an automatic, which I haven't messed with. If any of you guys are in the know on these automatics, let me know. Also, it was fuel injected and they converted it to carburetor, which scares me in itself, but I don't see why it couldn't work. Don't tell my wife about the cup. Flatheads, they're all strippy. Little C-clip on that linkage. Definitely some floaties in there. Get that taken apart. Alright, she's apart, so we're gonna dunk her and get her back together. Alright, we're gonna let that stuff soak for about a half an hour. This is really just to get me familiar with the carburetor. We're gonna order a kit, actually do a rebuild. Although everything in there doesn't look that old. Maybe it was just sitting for a while with some old gas, so who knows? Maybe this will work. I guess we're gonna find out. Got it all clean, got it all reassembled. Slap it in the car and see what happens. guys, that's gonna be it for this one. A little something different I just wanted to do real quick. Type 3, first one on the channel, and automatic, first one on the channel. It moved, it ran, it's definitely better than it was. I think I still need to mess with the timing a little bit. The throttle pedal's just a little sticky. It's hard to control, so we'll do that in due time. But for now, we'll see you next time.